I'm just in the process of displaying the data from the arrays in storage locations in RAM into these fields so that I can see the data. So I'm in this handler here. Let's just move this up a little bit so you can see it. And because I'm outside the loop, there's my loop there that goes around and gets my contestant name and age. I'm now into this handler which is outside the loop. So I come down here. I've had to redo the loop down here so that it will make sure it puts the data from for all the contestants. So I'm putting something into that field and then something else into that field. So I need to remember what my array name is. So I can go up to the top here. That's my array name. I'll bring that down here. I'm going to put that there. But as soon as you use an array name, you must have the square brackets so that you can specify which one you're talking about. And I've used count again to count through my contestants. So I'm going to copy that, paste it into there. And I'll be doing the same thing. I need to know where my ages are. So I'll go and get the name of my array. I'll copy that, bring it down here. And again, count I can use to specify which one. So it should come around here and put the data into there. Now you'll notice I've got the into, so I'll need to change that to after so that they come one after the other. And you'll remember I cleared the fields, so they should just come one after the other down the fields there. Especially if I put in and return so that it puts in a return character after each one. So if we run that, let's do a few, not so many contestants. I'll do 3 contestants this time. So you'll notice that's changed to 3 there. So I'll put in Robbie and he can be 14. I'll put in Amy, she can be 15. And I'll put in Harry and he can be 12. Now you'll notice at this point I'm still going around the loop just collecting the data and putting them in the arrays, and they've not appeared in the fields yet, but as soon as I press OK it'll drop out of that loop, come down into this handler here, and this data will be placed into the fields. Let's just see if that works, and there they are. Now I can use the value of count to make things slightly nicer. So I'm going to come back here where it says please enter the name of the contestant. I'm going to change that so it says please enter the name of contestant number, and I've travelled down to this place in the program with count, so I can use that value. I'll do the same thing here. Please enter the age of contestant number, and I'll concatenate count there as well. So you'll see, let's get some competition data. Let's put 2 contestants in this time. So contestant number 1, let's put Robbie in again. He's 14. And you'll see it just now, the contestant, let's put Dave in, he can be 16. And now we've got Robbie and Dave there with their ages.